Have you ever wondered how we get clean roads, first internet, or even the amazing gadgets we use every single day? Behind this, behind all of this is something called SDG 9. It's one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations. It focuses on industry, innovation, and infrastructure. And it's all about building a better, smarter, and stronger world for everyone. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Maria. I'm from Hong Kong, English track. So today my topic is going to be very interesting and important, which is significant for everyone. So the topic is industry, innovation and infrastructure, which is SDG 9 goal. So let's start the video. First, let's break down three important things: industry, innovation and infrastructure. Industry is something which is the part of economy which makes goods and provides services. It can be factories, it can be machines, it can be transportation or technology and many more. From cars to clothes, everything that we use every day in our life is coming from some kind of industry. Then in innovation, if you want to think about innovation, then you can also think about what is invention. So what is the difference between invention and innovation? Invention means which is completely new is created, like the first light bulb. It was completely new that time. Now on the other hand, innovation means which is when we improve something that already exists in the world, the advanced version of something. So like you can say now we have energy saving LED lights, which is the advanced version of normal light bulbs. So both are super important because invention start the change, and innovation is the improved version which makes our life better and easy. Then infrastructure. Infrastructures like roads, bridges, railways, then electricity. These all are the infrastructure. So it is really important for a country to run well. Without infrastructure, people or businesses can't grow or succeed. When was the goal made? SDG 9? When was the goal made? So SDG 9 was introduced in 2015 as a part of United Nations 2030 agenda. That means by the 2030, we will hope that world will have better industries, then smart innovations and stronger infrastructure, especially in developing countries. Then what is the aim of this goal? The main aim of this goal is build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrializations, and foster innovation. So let's break down this thing. So what is build resilient infrastructure? Resilient means something which is strong, balanced, and long-lasting. And infrastructure, we already know that it means road, bridges, like this. So it means we have to build long-lasting things, long-lasting infrastructure, balanced infrastructure, and which is strong. Then promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization. That means promote inclusive means for everyone, for every kind of people. It can be poor, it can be rich, for every people. And sustainable means which is safe for the nature and can be continued without any harm. And industrializations means growing factories and businesses. So we should help industries in a way that includes everyone and which is safe for the nature. We should not think about only about one people, only about us. We should think about everyone, every kind of people, every type of people. Then foster innovation. Foster means something which is advanced in, means encourage or support, and innovation means improvement of something which is already exists. So we have to encourage, we have to support to improve our technologies, to improve our gadgets that already exist. And so this is the whole aim of this goal. Why does this goal matter? So it comes in our mind. We already know that it helps for sustainable technologies, industrializations, and it helps us to be smarter. We can also include the topic green economy, which means sustainable and safe for the nature. So it helps to make things grow the sustainability of the industry infrastructure. But it is also super important for creating jobs. It creates jobs. Also, it helps business to grow. It makes our cities smarter and faster. It also helps to reduce poverty by creating opportunities that we already understand from promote inclusive. Inclusive means for everyone. And it also helps us to fight climate change with eco-friendly innovations. So we understand that this is really important for our daily life to improve our style of life. We should help to achieve this goal, achieve Sustainable Development Goal 9. Even as students, you can help by learning about new technologies and careers in science and engineering. Then you can spread awareness about the importance of good infrastructure. We can also help by recycling and using things wisely to support sustainable production. Also, we can also help by supporting local products and eco-friendly businesses. Lastly, SDG 9 is not just about big companies or factories. It's for all of us. By understanding industry, supporting innovations, and caring for infrastructure, we can build a world which is fair, strong, and smart. So let's learn, grow, and share together to help make this goal turn into a reality by 2030. That's all for today.